Okay, the curve has equation y equals x over 2 plus 3 ln x. Find dy by dx, and then find the stationary point of the curve. Well, okay, let's start by working out what dy by dx is. To work out dy by dx, we have got x over 2 plus 3 ln x. I hope you'll agree that's a quotient. So we need to apply the quotient rule, which is dy by dx for u over v is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v squared. So v is the denominator. This is in the formula book. If u is x, du by dx is 1, minus u dv by dx. U is the numerator. dv by dx, 2 plus 3 ln x. When you differentiate 2, you get nothing. When you differentiate 3 ln x differentiates to 1 over x. That becomes 3 times 1 over x, or 3 over x. Excuse me. All over v squared. One word of warning, do not attempt to expand denominators as a rule. If you've got a denominator which is factorized, or in this case 2 plus 3 ln x squared, that's a good thing. Don't try and expand it out, because denominators are only useful if you can use them to cancel. And so if you're going to be able to cancel with them, they need to be written in the form of a product. If it's written, if you expand this out to a sum, you can't do any cancelling. So don't touch this v squared. Just leave it as 2 plus 3 ln x squared. Otherwise, you're making a lot of unnecessary work for yourself. So the top becomes 2 plus 3 ln x times 1, which is just 2 plus 3 ln x, minus x times 3 over x, which is simplifies to just 3. So we've got 2 plus 3 ln x over 2 plus 3 ln x squared. 2 plus 3 ln x minus 3, which simplifies to 3 ln x minus 1 over 2 plus 3 ln x squared. Now, it's a good job you didn't bother expanding the denominator, because now we need to find the stationary points on the curve. Now, for a stationary point, dy by dx equals 0. So if we're going to work out where this equals 0, we're not really interested in the denominator, unless it happens that the denominator is also 0 when the numerator is 0, in which case you've got some big problems. But that's not going to be the case, because you've got 2 plus 3 ln x squared, and ln it can't be negative, so you're going to be fine with this. Oh wait, what do I mean ln can't be negative? Anyway, sorry. It's quite obvious that 2 plus 3 ln x and 3 ln x minus 1 can't be 0 at the same time. Anyway, that was a completely pointless aside. Anyway, what we need to do to find dy by dx equals 0 is look at when the numerator equals 0. So this is when 3 ln x minus 1 equals 0. When 3 ln x minus 1 equals 0, clearly 3 ln x equals 1. And so ln x is a third. So all we need to do now to work out what x is unln it. Ln is the opposite of e to the x, so we just do e to the power of a third. And that's, well, we could work out e to the third, but we need to pay attention to the wording of the question. It says exact, so when it says exact, it doesn't want 1.417359 or whatever. It just wants it in the form of e to the power of a third. That is the exact value. But remember, it's coordinates, so finding the x value is not sufficient. We now need to work out what the y value is. So we need to plug this x value back into the original equation to work out what y is. Y is equal to x plus 2 over 2 plus 3 ln x. X is clearly e to the third over 2 plus 3 ln x. Ln of e to the third, well, you already know that's a third, so it's going to be 3 times a third. And 3 times the third is 1, so this is e to the third over 2 plus 1, which is e to the third over 3, which means that the coordinates are e to the third and e to the third over 3, or a third e to the third, because it's just x comma y.